United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 67, Catadromous species, 1. A coastal state in whose waters catadromous species spend the greater part of their life cycle shall have responsibility for the management of these species, and shall ensure the ingress and egress of migrating fish. 2. Harvesting of catadromous species shall be conducted only in waters landward of the outer limits of exclusive economic zones. When conducted in exclusive economic zones, harvesting shall be subject to this article and the other provisions of this convention concerning fishing in these zones. 3. In cases where catadromous fish migrate through the exclusive economic zone of another state, whether as juvenile or maturing fish, the management, including harvesting, of such fish shall be regulated by agreement between the state mentioned in paragraph 1 and the other state concerned. Such agreement shall ensure the rational management of the species and take into account the responsibilities of the state mentioned in paragraph 1 for the maintenance of these species.